Welcome to Business with Louis, the show where we explore the latest trends and insights in the world of business and entrepreneurship. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial concept that's shaping the future of technology, the business case for diversity in AI development. But have you ever stopped to think about who's behind the development of these technologies? And more importantly, what happens when the teams creating these AI systems lack diversity? The business case for diversity in AI development refers to the idea that having a diverse team of developers, engineers, and researchers working on AI projects is not just a social good, but a business imperative. This diversity of thought leads to more innovative solutions, better problem solving, and ultimately, more effective AI systems. But why is this so important? According to a report by McKinsey, companies with diverse workforces are 35% more likely to outperform their less diverse peers financially. And when it comes to AI development, diversity is crucial in ensuring that our technologies are fair, unbiased, and effective for everyone. One of the key concepts here is the idea of bias in AI systems. Bias refers to the systematic errors or distortions that can occur when AI algorithms are trained on data that's not representative of the real world. For example, if an AI system is trained on a dataset that's predominantly composed of white faces, it may struggle to recognize and classify faces from other racial groups. This is where diversity comes in. By having a diverse team of developers working on AI projects, we can identify and mitigate these biases before they become major issues. As the renowned computer scientist Dr. Timnit Gebru once said, "The only way to get rid of bias is to have people who are aware of their own biases and are willing to work to overcome them." So, what does this look like in practice? Companies like Google and Microsoft have made significant investments in diversity and inclusion initiatives, not just because it's the right thing to do, but because they recognize the business value. For instance, Google's diversity and inclusion efforts have led to the development of more inclusive products, such as the Google Translate app, which can now translate over 100 languages. Another notable example is the work of Joy Bulamwini, a researcher who discovered significant racial bias in facial recognition software. Her work led to changes in how these systems are developed and tested, highlighting the importance of diverse perspectives in ensuring that AI is fair and effective for everyone. But it's not just about big tech companies. Small businesses and startups can also benefit from prioritizing diversity in their AI development efforts. For example, a startup called Zume Pizza used AI to optimize its pizza-making process, but realized that its algorithms were biased towards certain types of customers. By bringing in a more diverse team of developers, they were able to identify and fix these biases, leading to better customer satisfaction and increased revenue. So, how can you apply the business case for diversity in AI development in your own ventures or careers? First, prioritize diversity and inclusion when building your team. This might mean actively seeking out candidates from underrepresented groups or creating mentorship programs to support their development. Second, use diverse datasets when training AI systems to minimize the risk of bias. Finally, test your AI products with a wide range of users to ensure they're meeting the needs of your entire customer base. In addition to these strategies, it's also important to consider the role of education and training in promoting diversity in AI development. As my colleague, Dr. Fei Li once said, "The future of AI depends on our ability to educate and train a diverse workforce that can develop technologies that serve everyone." This is why initiatives like AI for ALL, which provides AI education and training to underrepresented groups, are so critical in promoting diversity and inclusion in the field. In conclusion, the business case for diversity in AI development is about recognizing that the future of business depends on our ability to create technologies that serve everyone, not just a select few. By prioritizing diversity and inclusion, companies can unlock innovation, reduce risk, and build products that truly meet the needs of their customers. As my colleagues on Wall Street would say, this isn't a nice to have, it's a must have for any business looking to succeed in the 21st century. That's it for today's Business with Louis. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every great business starts with action. Make your next move count.